25 Modern Ways to Use Floral Wallpaper. Every fashion designer, from Cynthia Rowley to Ted Baker, has been inspired by nature's most beautiful creation, but why just wear flowers when you can also clean your clothes while surrounded by them? If you're looking for a small room where you can add a pop of color, your laundry room is the perfect place. This room has no competing design accessories, allowing the dark and romantic floral wallpaper from Sarah Sherman Samuel to take center stage. Your dining room may seem like an obvious choice for floral wallpaper, but this cherry blossom print from Katie Ritter puts a whimsical and modern spin on the tired old standby. We especially love how the designer pulls in the yellow and pink details from the wallpaper throughout the room. Your dining room is the perfect place to add a bright, fun floral accent wall without overpowering the space. An entryway or mudroom is a great place to focus when looking for an easy way to add wallpaper into your home. This rifle paper design is reminiscent of the vintage greeting cards your grandma used to send, but much more modern. This chic wallpaper pairs well with your mid-century modern furniture. Who doesn't dream of a vacation in the South American rainforest? This luscious wallpaper from Shanzhong will take you there without leaving your bed. The pops of neon are a gorgeous contrast to the subtle olives and hunter greens. Pair this with pastels or beige for a perfect blend of color and calm. Bathrooms and powder rooms often offer limited wall space. For high-impact, but low-effort design, try a graphic wallpaper in this small space. This black and white vintage print plays well with the subway tiles, giving the bathroom a chic East Coast Inn feel. We dig it. If you're color averse, have no fear, monochromatic florals sometimes pack the biggest punch. This large flower wallpaper focuses on the intricate drawing and sharp lines and complements the light wood floors. You won't even miss the color, trust us. Green is in again in a big way. If tropicals are your thing, try this subtle and classy spin on a rainforest print. We love how this room takes the green theme very seriously. From the rich velvet bedspread to the geometric print pillow, it effortlessly ties in the fresh-cut flower theme from all angles. When you think flowers, you probably think roses. This nursery from Fawn Over Baby puts a new spin on a sweet classic. We love the use of soft pastels and the blend of roses and poppies throughout the print. If you're going for soft and feminine, this is the wallpaper for you. You've probably been told that lightening up a room with bright colors and light paint is best for feng shui. But we think this gorgeous room is an impeccable mix of beauty and grit. The dark, classic white and blue flowers offset the rustic, industrial furniture in the best way, and remind us of a home in the fields of Provence. An otherwise boring entryway or hall is a great place to add a little color and a lot of detail. This classic wallpaper is an ode to the vintage floral looks of the past, but with a modern update. We love this look for formal dining rooms or country chic kitchens that need a delicate pop of color. This year's Pantone color is called greenery, and banana leaf is at the front and center of the lush, trendy hue. This bathroom is heavenly, and we love the contrast of the rich greens against the black clawfoot tub. The best thing about banana leaf is that you can make it work in almost any room in your house. Floral prints don't have to consist of flowers alone. This amazing kids' room uses a bright and whimsical floral animal print as the canvas for the entire space and continues the theme throughout with a bright blue bed and matching bookcase. With such bold wallpaper, the room feels instantly finished and instantly kid-friendly. Cherry blossoms only bloom for a few weeks out of the year, but this elegant wallpaper by Alexandra Apostou will keep them alive in your house all year long. This high-class look is a lovely and very adult way to add a little bit of color to your traditional decor. Who says your laundry room has to be basic? We love the way this laundry room adds a pop of color with a floral and elephant leaf print. Even better, adding a few shelves and trinkets to a laundry room can tie an often overlooked space into the rest of the home's decor. Just because you have to do laundry doesn't mean you have to do laundry in a boring space. Maybe this isn't your first foray into floral, and you're ready to take it to the next level. This moody and romantic print goes big without overpowering the space. Keep the furniture and accessories simple, and focus on the mural-like wallpaper. This darker choice is great for a calming bedroom. This wallpaper is the perfect choice for those of you who wish you could paint a beautiful mural on your walls. If you don't have the artistic talent to make a masterpiece out of your living room, this paneled wallpaper from Etsy easily turns a simple room into a work of art. Geometric prints are huge right now, but if you're more of a botanist than a mathematician, this intricate wallpaper design is a lovely choice. The repeating, symmetric pattern will please any perfectionist and is a great choice for a nursery or an entryway. Moody, dark prints are in this year. We've seen how this deep and romantic choice can make a bedroom feel like a queen's chamber, but don't be scared to incorporate this trendy look into your dining room. Keeping the rest of the room simple and neutral, think wooden tables and jute rugs, will allow this gothic print to shine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.